The sharing cart is a Moodle block that allows teachers to copy individual activities or resources from one course to another, store items temporarily in a personal cart, easily duplicate content without recreating it. Before you start, ensure you have editing permissions in both the source and destination courses, and that the sharing cart block is available to add. By following these steps, you will be able to efficiently manage course content and streamline your course setup process. Click Digital Literacy to open the course where you want to copy content from. Click Edit Mode to enable editing features in your course. Click Add a Block to open the menu for adding new blocks to your course page. If no blocks have been added to the course yet, you will first need to click Open Block Drawer to see the Add a Block option. Click Sharing Cart to add the Sharing Cart block, which helps you copy and reuse course items. These previous steps need to be done once per course. You do not need to repeat them in the same course. Navigate your course content and identify which activities or resources need to be copied. Click the sharing cart icon next to the activity or resource you would like to copy in your course. Alternatively, click the activity or resource in the course section and drag it to the sharing cart block. Click Copy to add the selected content to your sharing cart. If needed, repeat the previous step to select another content section. This time, let's try the click and drag method. Click the activity or resource you want to copy in the course section, then drag it to the sharing cart block. Click Copy again to add this additional content to your sharing cart. It is also possible to copy an entire section, including its activities and resources, using the sharing cart tool. Click the sharing cart icon next to the section you would like to copy in your course. Alternatively, click the section and drag it to the sharing cart block. Click Copy to confirm copying the selected section. Now let's navigate to the destination course by clicking My Courses to return to your list of courses. Click Digital Literacy 2 to open the destination course where you want to paste the copied content. Click Add a Block to add the sharing cart block to this course if it is not already present. Click Sharing Cart to open the sharing cart block in the destination course. Click the clipboard icon in the sharing cart block next to the first item you want to paste into the course. Click the arrow icon to select the section where the activity or resource will be pasted. Click Copy to confirm and paste the selected content into the destination section. Let's repeat the process to paste the copied section into the course. Click the clipboard icon next to the section you want to paste into the course. Click the arrow icon to select the section where the copied section will be pasted. At this step, you could review the activities and resources in the copied section, then select which ones to paste. By default, all are selected. Click Copy to confirm and paste the selected items into the course. Sometimes, after copying activities, resources, or sections, you might need to refresh the page to see the effect. Copying and pasting may also take longer depending on your Moodle scheduled task settings. Now you can organize and move the pasted activities or resources into the destination course. After that, you can navigate to another course and paste any copied activities, resources, or sections from the sharing cart by following the previous steps. When you are done, you can delete copied items from the sharing cart individually or click Bulk Delete to select and delete all items. Click Select All to choose all items in the sharing cart for deletion. Then, click Delete Marked Items to remove the selected items from the sharing cart. After that, click Delete to confirm the deletion action. Finally, you can go back to your courses after managing these two courses' content using the sharing cart. You are done. You have successfully used the sharing cart in Moodle to copy and paste course content, activities, resources, or entire sections between different courses. This process helps you efficiently reuse content and keep your courses organized with minimal effort.